In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import email contact list to Constant Contact. To get started, make sure you have your contact list saved on your computer as a CSV file or an Excel file. Before you upload, it helps to quickly review the file and confirm that each piece of information has its own column. For example, first name, last name, and email address should be in separate columns. Also, remove any extra header notes or blank rows that could cause confusion during the import. Once you are logged into your Constant Contact account, go to the main navigation and click Contacts. This is where Constant Contact stores your audience information, including any lists you use for sending emails. Next, look for the option to add new people. Click Add Contacts, then choose Upload from File. This tells Constant Contact that you are bringing in contacts from a spreadsheet, instead of typing them in manually. Now you will upload your file. You can drag and drop your CSV or Excel file into the upload area. If you prefer, you can also click to browse your computer and select the file that way. But the drag and drop method is often the quickest. After the file appears as selected, click Continue to move forward. Constant Contact will then ask you to match your columns to the correct fields. This step is important because it ensures the system understands what each column represents. For each column from your file, choose the matching Constant Contact field, such as email address, first name, or last name. Take a moment here to confirm the email column is mapped correctly, since email addresses are required for email marketing contacts. When everything looks correct, click Continue. After that, you will choose where these contacts should go. Select a list, then click Continue. If you use lists to separate audiences, pick the one that best fits this group so your future campaigns stay organized. A consent pop-up will appear. Read it carefully, then check the box to confirm you have permission to email these contacts. Finally, click Save to complete the import. Give the system a moment to process the file, and your contacts will be added to the list you selected. And that covers everything you need to know.